Mobile Medical Corporation, and the Ironworker Management Progressive Action Cooperative Trust present the Impact National Substance Abuse Testing Program, a cooperative program developed jointly by ironworker leadership and ironworker contractors. The Impact National Substance Abuse Program is a combined effort of the International Labor Union and union contractors to create a drug-free workplace by adopting a national policy with centralized administration. The objective of this program is to create a pool of eligible workers pre-qualified to work on drug-free projects nationwide. The program uses an online credential tracking system to verify that workers have the proper qualifications before they are hired to a job site. The program is structured so that all information is central and can be securely shared nationwide. An independent third-party administrator coordinates all testing and maintains the program results. Signatory parties of the program have access to information when hiring ironworkers for drug-free projects. Confidential information is released only to the third-party administrator, who assists members with rehabilitation procedures. Drug and alcohol testing requirements have become a standard part of union construction projects. The goal of the Impact National Substance Abuse Testing Program is to improve the overall process. The program has been developed to eliminate repetitive testing, reduce overall costs, improve job site safety, and promote union construction and expand job opportunities for ironworkers nationwide. The primary flaw in management-driven programs is that contractors share a workforce but not information. In the course of a year, a union worker can be employed by many contractors on many job sites, requiring each contractor to test a worker over and over again. In the Impact Drug-Free Partnership, all information is central. Workers are tested off the job site and information is collected in a central data pool. Eligibility information is transferred daily to the Impact website, where signatory parties can view an ironworker's credentials before hiring them for a job. When a contractor requires a worker for a drug-free project, he logs on to the Impact website to verify that a worker has a current program test. This eliminates repetitive testing and costly lost work time. Positive test information is not accessible through the online system. It is managed only by the third-party administrator, who notifies the member and assists them through the rehabilitation requirements. If a worker's information cannot be found through the online system, he or she is referred to the third-party administrator, who helps them get a valid program test. The Impact National Substance Abuse Program has been written so that it will be widely accepted by the users of construction. The program requirements include a 10-panel laboratory urinalysis as the primary method of drug testing. The test reasons include initial, annual, random, post-accident, and for cause. Members who test positive are subject to a return-to-duty test before re-entering the program, and accelerated random testing is performed for a period of 1 year. The program also has provisions for saliva testing when required by an owner, and alcohol testing is included for cause and post-accident tests. The random testing requirement is 25% of the total pool tested annually. Participants are randomly selected by a computer generator, then notified by mail as to when to have their tests collected. Contractors and owners may also request random testing during projects. Contractors must submit payroll records to identify the workers on site when random testing is requested. Any worker who tests positive must complete the rehabilitation requirements to re-enter the program. They must be evaluated by a substance abuse professional, complete the recommended treatment, and pass a return-to-duty test to get back into the program. The Impact program uses SafeTrack, an online verification tracking system developed by Mobile Medical Corporation, the program's third-party administrator. This secure online system is accessible through the Impact website and is firewall and passcode protected. SafeTrack allows labor organizations to centralize worker information and displays their skills, training, and other worker credentials so they can be reviewed by Impact contractors nationwide. By sharing worker information, contractors are able to provide customers with skilled and certified iron workers at lower cost. The Impact online verification system is very easy for signatory parties to use. When a contractor hires a new worker, he logs onto the Impact website. After passing through several screens secured by passcodes, the representative enters the worker's Social Security number. If the worker is eligible, the test data is displayed, and the contractor can then print an individual report if needed. Workers not in the online system are not hired and are referred to the third-party administrator to get a program test or to initiate rehabilitation. The Impact Drug-Free Partnership provides a safer, drug-free workplace and encourages union workers with substance abuse problems to get the help they need. The Impact program provides guaranteed quality. We place our best people with our best customers.